my name's Joe Billingham. I'm here on site in Birmingham at JQ Rise to give you the Quarter 2 2022 update. You'll see from our last update, works are progressing well on site. We've been finishing off the piling, the main drainage and the substation. I'm here now with Sean Mulhern of Clark Mulhern. Hi Sean.
How you doing, Joe?
Good, thank you. How's it going on site? Any challenges and next steps?
Yeah, so at the moment we're doing the pile caps and the ground beams for phase 1 and phase 2.
Okay.
We're continuing on with the drainage. So by sort of July time, hopefully the groundworks and the ground floor slab will be complete for FP McCann to come in and start the precast frame.
Okay.
Challenges on site, logistics, handling materials, movement of materials and machinery. But yeah, it's going well.
All in hand. Okay, great. So what are the next steps for you? Just, I think is it the end of July we're off site?
That's right.
Mulhern? Yep.
That's right.
So we're on target for the 29th?
That's right.
To be exact.
So tomorrow we've got 180 cube coming in for the ground beams in our phase 1 area.
Okay.
We've got the base for tower crane 1 and 2 and the stair core 1 complete. So next phase is the gas proofing and the ground floor slabs.
Great, thank you. So following on from Clark Mulhern will be the building envelope, which will be erected by FP McCann. So I'm here at the Commonwealth Clock, which as you can see, it's not far away now. Thank you for joining us for this quarter's update, and we look forward to seeing you again in the summer.
The following video will illustrate advanced modern methods of construction, specifically precast reinforced concrete. Installation is clever but simple. To satisfy approved document A of the building regulations, the sandwich panel walls and internal solid walls have continuous vertical ties. All floors are horizontally tied to their supports. The units are then fully grouted to provide a three-dimensional tied structure. Placed on top of these are precast slabs that cover an entire room. They can have cast-in conduits for lighting and recesses for bathroom pods. Alternatively, hollow-core precast concrete planks are used for longer spanning areas. These flooring units are lifted onto their final bearing directly from the delivery vehicles. The units do not require any temporary propping, and once grouted, they act as a diaphragm, which transfers the lateral forces to the cross walls, which subsequently transfers these forces down to the foundations to achieve stability. A precast building can be erected in as much as half the time as a traditionally constructed building. It is much more cost-effective, as off-site construction also eliminates the need for on-site storage and a large workforce. Only a small crew is needed, which also benefits greatly for health and safety and follow-on trades. The building can also be constructed in tight urban areas with very little noise pollution or interruption to the surrounding community. The versatility of this off-site solution means that precast concrete construction can be used in a broad spectrum of applications, such as hotels, hostels, social housing, student accommodation, apartment buildings, and prisons. There are other modern methods of construction, but lack the benefits of precast construction. Precast reinforced concrete units have the strength and durability. They come pre-fitted with doors, windows, and conduits for services. The units also have a finished exterior, and interior surfaces are suitable for direct decoration, which eliminates the need for dry-lined walls and suspended ceilings. The thermal mass properties of the exposed concrete enable it to absorb, store, and later radiate heat. Daytime temperatures can be reduced up to 5 degrees. Precast reinforced concrete is inherently fire-resistant, eliminating the need for site-applied fire protection and subsequently maintenance-free. Precast components are rapidly installed, with units delivered as they are needed, allowing follow-on trades access to the building much sooner and with no obstructions. Temporary works is not required, installation is quiet, no storage space required, and is suitable for tight construction sites. Much greater reduction in waste as units are made to order. And of course, with all the above taken into account, it is much more cost-effective.
Buy it, let it, forget it. So what are you waiting for? Get in contact with us today.